right, you guys, let me start this video off by saying thank you for 500 subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. The fake clap. But I appreciate y'all so much. I was not expecting that. I literally said I was going to be consistent in January of 2026 and just see what happens. And I'm like, God, if it's meant for me to be on this platform, show up. All right, let me know. Let me know something. Because I'm very much, I said I was tired of social media a long time ago, but I don't consider YouTube social media. I just don't. Like, I understand that it is, but I just don't consider it social media. But something kept pulling me over to YouTube, and I'm just like, let me lock in real quick and see what it's about. So I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. As promised, I am going to do a giveaway for 500 subscribers this week. I'm trying to figure it out. So let me know if you're watching this. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should do like a cash giveaway or a gift card giveaway. And I'm going to start off slow. I'm not Oprah, right? I'm going to start off slow, and I want to do a giveaway every time I hit an additional 500 subscribers until I get to like 10K. I think that's a good, I think that's a good goal. So every 500 I hit, so the next one will be at 1,000. But for now, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I promise to give y'all more value this year and moving forward. I'm very excited. There's so much that I know and have learned over the years in just radio, television, and just life in general. So I feel like this is like the perfect place to share it. And I'm going to use YouTube as my diary and just like a free way for y'all to like get free game that can hopefully help y'all on your journeys as well. So with that being said, thank you. Now, I'm also trying to start a series on YouTube where I renovate my backyard. I have not had a backyard. I have a backyard. It's a beautiful backyard. But I haven't renovated it yet for my boys. So it's just like, pretty much right now, y'all, it's dirt and tarp. And I've had a garden over the years. I've lived in my house for 3 years now. 3 years. I think it's coming up on 4 years. But either way, I've lived here for some years now, and I have not renovated it yet. I have not like fully landscaped it so that the boys can run around. So my goal this year is to renovate it. And not even this year, by my birthday, which is in May. So my goal is to renovate my yard by my birthday in May. And let me know what y'all think about that. I want to make that a series, but will y'all follow along? Are you guys interested in that? And if so, comment down below, because my next video on this series, if you guys are interested, will be me showing y'all the backyard and like kind of what I want to do, what's already there, which is kind of a mess right now, and what I want to do to it. Also, you guys, it will be a budget-friendly yard. I don't want to spend a lot of money on this like project because I was going back and forth about it. I want my boys to have a yard, obviously, right? But I'm also in a space where I'm tired of the U.S., y'all. I'm tired of the U.S. I'm tired of California. I don't know what I'm tired of most. I don't know if it's just California or the U.S. as a whole. So I have been, considering what my options might be. I'll just say that. But I don't want to spend a lot of money if we're not going to be here long term. You know what I mean? So understandable, especially in this economy. Either way, whether I was staying or going, I don't want to stay. I don't want to spend that much money on a doggone backyard, y'all. And for rocks and like materials, for like, I don't know, y'all. I'm an earth sign. I feel like things of the earth should just come to me. Things of the earth should just come to me. I'm convinced. Why am I paying for rocks? Why am I paying for grass? Why am I paying for fake grass or real grass? Or just some things should just be free. But I understand consumerism, so it's fine. But with that being said, if you guys have any suggestions on a way that I can put a yard together, a nice yard for my babies, I initially said I posted a video about this a few weeks ago, and I said that I wanted my budget to be $4,000 for the yard, which I feel like that's kind of pushing it, but it is doable, I believe. Now, somebody in the comments said to go lower and make it more challenging, and also save some money in my pocket. So I'm absolutely willing to do that. So I'm going to set the budget for the backyard. I was going to say 3,000. I'm going to say 2,500 to really challenge myself. Of course, if we have to go over a little bit, that's fine. But I'm going to see what I can do for 2,500. So my sources right now are going to be like Facebook Marketplace and like, I don't know, OfferUp. I've never been on OfferUp before, but places like that have like, cool little deals and stuff like that. I want to jump on it before it gets, starts to get hot, because right now, colder season, so I might get better deals right now. And I also want to start the process now before it gets too hot, because it gets really hot in California where I'm at, and I don't want to be out there trying to, you know, put everything together in the heat, sweating and stuff. So with that being said, comment down below if you guys are interested in this series. I would love to take y'all along with me. This will hold me accountable. And yeah, other than that, I may do it off camera if y'all don't want to see it, but I would love to take y'all along and have y'all give me the encouragement to keep going, because projects like this are not easy. And I started it before, and obviously it's not done. So I figured this series would hold me accountable, and also maybe encourage other people to, you know, be able to do stuff on a budget as well. I am very frugal, okay? And I know how to find things. So anyway, if this sounds good to y'all, comment down below. I'm going to leave this as my video for the day, and I will bring y'all some value tomorrow. But I just want to do a quick rant because I'm tired of the US and I don't know what I need to do. But I also want my boys to have a yard. They deserve a yard. So we're going to do a yard, okay? So comment down below if you have any suggestions, any tips. Comment them, please. Help. Send help. I'll talk to you in a little bit.